At this point in time, toda kuita this question yakanzi number 3. Saka chatikuda kutsvaga missing sides missing angles. When we look at our triangle, let me reproduce it. Triangle yedu yakadai so. We have C panapa, apa ndo pana B, then we have another line connecting C to A, then of course a line connecting A and B. Panapa it's 139 degrees, apo it's 8 meters. Panapa we have 5 meters. Saka toda kutsvaga missing sides missing angles. As we all know, kuti kana panapa paina C, zvoreva kuti this length is actually a small letter C. Then toda kutsvaga this angle, toda zvakare kutsvaga that angle. Saka kuti titsvage C unowu, tinotarisa zvatakapiwa. Tapiwa an internal angle 139 degrees. Tikapiwa 5 meters panapa AC, tikapiwa 8 meters CB. Saka since we have two sides and an internal angle, we have to use the cosine rule. Saka cosine rule yachiapply panapa, tinotanga nekunyora the formula. Formula yedu yakamira sei? Formula iri kuti C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. Side riri kunzi A ndeiri. A is equal to 8 meters. Side riri kunzi B ndeiro. B is equal to 5 meters. Saka kana takuda kuitsvaga panapa, takungo substitute, then we solve the equation. C squared is equal to, what is A? A into 8. Saka we have 8 squared plus B into 5 squared minus 2 multiplying, what is A? 8 and B into 5 cos of, what is C? C is this internal angle 139 degrees. Saka tinotanga ta simplify ku right hand side, then tozoequate ku left hand side. Saka C squared in this case is equal to 8 squared to 64, so that plus 5 squared into 25, subtracting, what is 2 times 8 times 5. Since 8 times 5 are 40, so reva kuti 40 times 2 ndi 80. So here it's minus 80 cos 139 degrees. C squared is equal to, what is 64 plus 25? Chat 4 plus 5, which is 9. 26 plus 2, which is 8. So panapa with 89 minus 80 cos 139 degrees, like that. Then achakwanise kusimplify any further manually, apo patasvika pakuda kuti tishandise a calculator. Kana muine a powerful calculator, for example a right view, a Casio, kana kuti scientific calculator, munogona kutongonyora kuti 89 minus 80 cos 139 degrees ichitokupai an answer. Asi kana muine a weaker calculator, weaker in terms of computational power, for example a sharp, then in that case munofanirwa kuzviita piecemeal. Saka let us assume kuti muri kushandisa sharp, even though I encourage you kushandisa a right view kana kuti Casio scientific calculator for more accuracy. So panapa tinoti C squared is equal to 89, subtracting chi. We go to our calculator, we first make sure kuti iri kuma degrees, kana kuti pamusoro pakanyorwa kuti deg. Then tadaro tobaya 80 cos 139 degrees. Tikaibaya tinoona ichitipa a value of minus 60. Saka panapa inge iri chi minus 60 yobva yati 0.3767664178. For the sake of what is called accuracy, tinofanirwa kuti kana tichicalculata before tasvika kufinal answer tofanirwa kunyora number iyi as it appears in our calculator. Saka we just jot it down quickly semabudiro airi kuita, tozoredusa to 3 significant figures kana tasvika pafinal answer. Mapaona, kuitira kuti answer yenyu isava far from the accurate value. Saka tanyora sezvairi, then toti c squared is equal to, panapa tichati 89 minus minus, we know kuti minus minus ti plus, saka togona kuti 89 plus that value 60.37676. Answer yatinowana after tati 89 minus minus 60.37676641782 tinowana 149.376641782. But kuno kutina c squared, isusu tiri kuda c, saka we take the square root here, then we also take the square root panapa. Saka c inova equal to chi. Answer yatiri kuwana ndi 12.22197882578. But since tichifanirwa kunyora answer yedu iri to 3 significant figures, ndiyo degree of accuracy yatinoshandisa kana tisina kupiwa a specific degree of accuracy. Zoreva kuti our answer is going to be 12.2. That is the value of c. C is equal to 12.2. In that case, we're going to specify that we should actually use a degree of accuracy which is a whole number. Correct, our answer would be 12. Following after, tikatarisa mwe sides, they are expressed as whole numbers. But kana vasina kudaro, like in that case, mapepe edu esimseki anouya akati express your answers unless the degree of accuracy is specified to 3 significant figures and 2 decimal places for angles. Saka let us use 3 significant figures. Tawana the value of c, which is what we've got here. Takuda kutsvaga the value of either angle A kana kuti angle C. Apo tinokwanisa kushandisa the cosine rule, but it's best tikashandisa the sine rule. Because as I always tell you, the goal in mathematics is to use the simplest method available to arrive to the answer in the shortest possible time. And I always use an allegory of water flowing following the path of least resistance. Mvura kana ichiflowa inotevera the path of least resistance. That should be our thinking when you are doing mathematics. But before I go into calculating either A or B, I want us to look at the value of C. Dakukuratidzai the power of a powerful calculator. In our case, tirikutaura either a right view, which is what I prefer, kana kuti Casio scientific calculator. As you can see, patinosvika pa this stage, yatanyora kuti c squared is equal to 89 minus 80 cos 139 degrees. Tisati tatomboita macalculations asaya, we can at this point take the square root of the left hand side and the square root of the right hand side. Kuno kinova c is equal to, then with the advantage of a powerful calculator, we can compute the square root of 89 minus 80 cos 139 degrees as it is. Tikadaro in this case towana an answer of 11.848070158.4. tikaexpressa to the nearest whole number inotipa the answer 12, which is the more accurate answer. So please, pamunoita save to buy a calculator, or if you already have a calculator, if it is a right view or a Casio scientific calculator, mutori a percentage advantage over vari kushandisa maordinary sharp. So please look into that. Let us go back to what we want to find. So tichiri pano tiri kuda kutsvaga either angle A or angle B, asi tichishandisa the sine rule. Saka po tinogona kuelecta kutsvaga A kana kuti kutsvaga B. Hapana iri more viable. Mathematically, tinogona kutsvaga either of these. Saka let us say kuti tiri kuda kutsvaga A. I will give you, cannot leave it to you as a task kuti muite muchitsvaga B. Saka B ndo ichava task yenyu. We are having a lot of tasks mazuvano kuti muite engage actively with our lessons. Saka task ndeyekudi kutsvaga B, then from B motsvaga A. Let us isusu ngatitsvagei A, from A tozotsvaga B. Saka kuti titsvage A, tinenge takuti A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. Ndo yachashandisa. Saka let me call this part 1 and this was part 1. Saka kunoku takuita a part 2. Saka tikati C over sine C panapa. Then on your task munofanirwa kuti chi sine C over C. Mapaona. So kana tadzokera kunoku manje, we have established kuti C ndi 12.2. Yatogona kushandisa as 12 for the sake of this lesson. Saka chati 12 over chi, the angle ndi sine 139. So panapa 8 over sine A is equal to 12 over sine 139. Like this. Then isusu tiri kuda A. Saka we have to make A subject of formula. Tikashandisa the method of cross multiplication, which we can use at this instance. Zvinoreva kuti sine A inenge iri equal to 8 sine of 139 degrees over 12. Again, with the advantage of a powerful calculator panapa, tinogona kutotsvaga kuti 8 sine 139 over 12 ndeyani. Saka a right view or a Casio gives you the advantage yekugona kunyora a fraction as it is. So sine of 139, that is dividing 12. My calculator is giving me a value of 0.4373726859, like that. Then kana ndakuda kutsvaga A, I'll just take the arc sine of this value, 0.4373726859. Saka pakadai so, kuti maavoide kudzokorodza kukopa zinhambero sezvariri, munogona kudzidzira store. You can store values using your calculator. So you have to research kuti munostore sei values and you learn kuti munozviita sei. Otherwise, panapa we are saying arc sine of 0.4373726859 and 99. The value we are getting up, A, is equal to 25.936,367,945,3, which we are going to take as 25.94 because it's a degree tie expressor to 2 decimal places, like that. So that is going to be the value of A. Tawana the value of A imimi muchatanga nekutsvaga the value of b, remember, as your task. Tinogona kushandisa the idea that the sum total of angles inside a triangle is 180 degrees. Kureva kuti we are just going to formulate as our part 3, we are just going to formulate this simple equation. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C should give us 180 degrees. But chatiri kuda isusu toda B. So techiti B is equal to 180 degrees subtract C subtract A, like that. Saka B is equal to 180 degrees subtract C ndiyochi 139 degrees subtract A 25.94. We can put this in our calculator. What do we get? Saka tiri kuti 180 subtract 139 and also subtract 25.94. This is equal to 15.06 degrees. That will be our answer. So kuti presentation yedu inake, before taweka zvekutsvaga b, tachigona kuti consider b panapa, then we do our working. Pamusoro panapa tachigona kuti apa tachitsvaga ngara zviya, consider a, like this, then yanga ichibuda, then pamusoro panapa tanga tichizoti consider c. So one of the main reasons why we did this as part of your criterion response, kana kuti corrections, kungokuratidzai the mistake which you did, which was finding the square root of a negative number. The square root of a negative number is infinity, error 2, kana muri mucalculator, non-applicable, tikadata chirungu. We cannot find the square root of a negative number. And we can find the cube root of a negative number, but we cannot find the fourth root of a negative number. So this is something which you should learn. So we have come to the end of this question. If you have any questions, please the comments section or my direct numbers. Otherwise, thank you and take care. At this juncture, takuda kuita yakanzi number 5. So yakanzi number 5, tapiwa the angle A, tikapiwa the side B and the side C. Tikufanirwa kutsvaga missing sides and missing angles. So what we first do panapa, using the information yatapiwa, taudzwa kuti A iri equal to 58.1 degrees, tikaudzwa kuti B iri equal to 10 meters, tikaudzwa kuti C iri equal to 8.5 meters. What we do is tinogadzira ka triangle kedu kakadai so. Totoka label kuti A, B, C. Then toenda pana A, toona kuti angle iri panapa ndi 58.1 degrees. Then toenda pana B, chinzi B nde panapa, remember. Saka since we have A panapa, so kuti small letter A kari represent a side, we have B apo, small letter B represent a side, we have C panapa, small letter C represent a side. So B yanzi 10 meters, we write our 10 meters panapa. C yanzi 8.5, we write our 8.5 apo. Saka tiri kutsvaga chi? Tiri kutsvaga this angle, and this side. And it. So let us start. Panapa zvatinoita chekutanga, I'm going to assume that we have a powerful calculator which can compute fractions and tinogona kunyora zvinhu zvese ka1. So what we do pano is tinotanga tati consider, toda tanga tatsvaga this missing side A. So consider A. So pata consider A, tinoshandisa the cosine rule kutsvaga the side A, because we are given two sides and the included angle. And our formula is going to be a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Then a squared ingeri equal to b in the 10, so it's 10 squared up plus c in the 8.5, 8.5 squared subtracting 2, multiplying 10 and 8.5, like that. The cos of 58.1 degrees. A squared is equal to chi. Let us just solve zvatokwanisa kusolva. So what is going to be 8.5 squared? 8.5 squared is 42.25. So here it's 100 plus 72 rather, 72.25 subtracting 2 times 10 is 20. So we need to find 20 times 8.5. What answer do we get there? 170. So it's minus 170 cos of 58.1 degrees. So that a squared is equal to, if we add panapa, we get 172.25 subtract 170 cos 58.1, like that. Then we take the square root of both sides pano. Yeah, square root yenyu make sure kuti no cover everything and kuitira kuti zinyatsokuva mathematically astute. Then pano the square root of a squared the a. Then we go into our calculator, a powerful calculator. We look for the square root of 172.25 subtracting 170 cos 58.1, like that. Tirwana an answer of 9.078297367774. But since this is a side, we express it to three significant figures, which end up as 9.08. That will be our answer. So this is the side. We can come here, total nyora out our side A is equal to 9.08. Then from that much, we have to consider either angle B kana C. Saka let us consider kutsvaga B. So we consider B panapa. B tinomcalculator say kuti tiwane B, we use the sine rule. Saka since tiri kutsvaga B, tinoti sine B over B is equal to. Then toona kuti toshandisa C here, hazviiti kuti tishandise C because we cannot have two unknowns in that equation. We only need one unknown, which should be B. Saka tofunga kushandisa A, kureva kuti inenge yasine A over A. Sine B, hatisi kuziva the angle B ndo yatiri kutsvaga, over the side B in the 10 is equal to sine A inenge iri sine of 58.1 over A wacho ari 9.08. What it means pano is we then have to put 10 uko, sorry. So sine B is equal to 10. Behind ukune cross multiplication. 10 sine of 58.1 over 9.08. Then tadaro much. We can then solve side kuno. But if we have a strong enough calculator, tinogona kutoti B is equal to the arc sine of then 10 sine 58.1 over 9.08. Tozongoya kuno kuti titonyora our final answer. It's doable. Saka in my calculator ndenda kubaya shift, ndabaya sine, then tadaro ndobaya ndobaya pattern rakanzi x over y. Rinoita kuti tinyore fraction, ndonyora fraction yangu 10 sine 58.1, like that. And this is over 9.08. 9.08. The answer I get panapa it's 69.2266660.174. Yandonyora to 3 significant figures is 69.2 degrees. Saka tawana this angle 69.2 degrees. Takufunga kuchiwa kuno kutoti chi consider panapa takutsvaga the angle C. So that is the angle C. Tinoiwana tichishandisa 180 degrees. Tonyora this simple equation A plus B, angle A plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 180 degrees. We know that angle A is 58.1. This is plus. We know that angle B the calculate up and 69.2 plus C at CY is equal to 180 degrees. So 58.1 plus 69.2. We can put that in our calculator. 58.1 plus 69.2. What do we get? 127.3 plus C equal to 180 degrees. Kureva kuti C equal to 180 degrees, subtract 127.3. Saka C equal to chi. 180 minus 127.3. What answer do we get? 52.7 degrees. Tapedza. Saka ndo zvatinoita izvi hama dzangu. Kuti consider C, consider B, then consider A. Tazviitira kuti tiudze examiner kuti tiri kutsvagei at any particular point. It's very rare kuti zimseki unze maquestion akadai so. Anga achida kuti mutsvage zvinhu zvakawanda zviri compacted. But these questions are necessary for our practice. If you have any questions, please use the comments or direct on my numbers. Otherwise, thank you and have a nice one.